Hi, Tim Biggam for Delta Derivatives, Option Hedges and Edges. Taking a look at a market that we've had this back and forth on everything coming out trade related out of Washington. So we had the tariff fears, and now we have a little tariff relief today on the fact that Trump let some of those kind of tariffs at least ease up a little bit here. So I think from now until the end of the week, we'll probably be seeing more and more of that as volumes get light as we head into the Memorial Day weekend. One volume that absolutely is not light is on Beyond Meat. This stock is beyond comprehension here. Price action today traded back up towards 90 again. IPO just a few weeks ago at 25. Fell apart and now is heading back up again. So I think somewhere around that 93rd visit up there is kind of the cap on the stock. So you can't borrow the stock to short. Puts are super expensive because you can't borrow, so I'm using the option market via call spread, selling the June 100-105 call spread for about 70 cents. So like that kind of risk return, give myself about 15 points upside cushion for only a few weeks here on Beyond Meat. So this is a stock that certainly you can whipsaw it out here. I think having a defined risk call spread way above the market gives you the latitude to stay with the position as inevitably you get the whip back and forth. On the reverse side, a stock I like a lot here is Intel. This stock has been absolutely bloodied, trading at multi-year lows. PE now below 10 here. We're looking at oversold on every metric, multi-year lows on RSI, MACD, Bollinger Bands blew out to a huge negative number. So like the valuation, also like the dividend yield approaching 3 here. So simple covered call trade. Buy the stock somewhere around 44, looking to sell the July 45 calls. Vol still relatively elevated post earnings because of that huge sell-off, so just looking to capture a nice dividend along with some decent option premium. So volume should be right heading into the Memorial Day weekend. We'll see what happens in earnest as traders get back middle of next week. Until next time, as always, here's to good trading. Take care.